Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this future bot. So let's check it out. You got action programming, remote control, smart interaction, powerful motor. So let's check it out and see what comes in the package. Like all my videos, when it comes to this kind of stuff, I like to keep some things a surprise so I don't go over everything, because I firmly believe everybody should experience some things for the first time instead of hearing everything. So they give you a little manual here. Oh, this looks actually really nice. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. All right, on the front, it looks like you have two buttons on here. The back doesn't look like any buttons on the back. Pretty cool looking. Wheels on the bottom. You got your remote control right here and your charging cable here. I don't believe the remote control is... So guys, I don't think the remote control is rechargeable. This is. So we just gotta find, so the ports on the back here. And this is just simply a USB charging cable. So you plug this into any USB outlet and it will charge. So while we go and check out the remote, we're gonna charge this a while. That way it's got some juice in it, the little robot. So a red light does come on to let you know it's charging. So that's pretty cool. So guys, it will take 2 AAA batteries. All right guys, so this is the remote. I'll show you guys quickly here. So that's the remote. And it's nice to hold. You got slide forward, turn left, mode switch, turn right, slide backwards, volume, popular science, ABC English, music, machine language, song, stop, volume up, volume down, program, demo, turn left, forward, turn right, backwards, mode switch. So there's a power button on the front here. You just press it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, guys. That's pretty cool. Whoa. So I think it senses motion. So I think, yeah. So yeah, you can control it. Slide forward, slide backwards. You also can walk, so it can slide or walk. So yeah, you got different modes here with it. So you got demo. So this is demo mode. Basically, it just does some things. Shows like all the functions of it. You can press stop. You can program it. Press stop to get out of it. You got music. So the eyes light up and do, red. It's pretty cool. So it seems like the song's the same. You can do machine learning. All right, you got music. Couple different songs. So just a few songs. ABC English. Popular Science. Very interesting. So yeah, you guys can control it too. You know, your kids are definitely gonna love this. They're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Cool little robot. And again, you can walk forward. Make sure you, now I didn't go over everything because I like to keep some things a mystery, so make sure you check out your manual for even more things.